Hello guys, welcome all of you back with our web application development discussion series. Today we are going to talk about how we can design our admin panel web page. Here you can see our admin panel web page. In here we have inserted that admin first name and last name. After that, in here we have given a navigation buttons. This is our dashboard, the selected one. And then here we have given another button as manage users and manage product. After clicking on these buttons, that admin can go into manage users web page and manage product web page. After that, in here we have given a sorting part. First, we have given a from date and we have inserted a date input field, and then in here we have given another input field as to date, and we have also inserted the date input field. After that, we have inserted the button as such. Then in here we have our label as dashboard. After that, in here we have given some brief details. First, we have given daily earnings and we have inserted the value here. Then monthly earnings and the value in here. Today's sellings and how many items have been sold today. And then the month selling and total sellings and total engagement. So after that, in here we have given the total active time of that admin. Then at the bottom here we have given two cards as mostly sold item and most famous seller. So mostly sold item will be appeared in here and the most famous seller will be appeared in here. In the mostly sold item, here we have inserted that item image. After that, details about that item. And then in the most famous seller part, we have inserted that seller's profile image and then that seller's details. So let's go into our code and see how we have designed this. Here we have our admin panel.php file. Within this file, we have inserted our HTML version tag. Then in here, we have our HTML opening. Within the HTML opening and HTML core syntax, we have inserted our HTML head part and HTML body part. Within the HTML head part, we have inserted Bootstrap meta tags, then the title of this web page. After that, we have linked our style sheet into this admin panel.php file. We have linked bootstrap.css file, bootstrap icon.css file, and style.css file. Then in here we have changed our web page icon into this logo.svg icon. Within our body, in here we have given a style for background color and background image. After that, in here we have our container div. Here we have our admin name displaying part. In here we have inserted that admin's first name. After that, in here we have inserted the navigational panel. Here we have given a navigation options as dashboard, manage users, and manage products. Then in here we have inserted the H4 tag as selling history. After that, we have given our sorting options, and here we have given a label as from date. Then we have given an input field and we have given its type as date. After that, we have given a label as to date, and then we have also given an input field with the type as date. After that, in here we have our search button. Then we have inserted another label as daily selling at the bottom. Then in here we have our dashboard. We have given a h2 tag as dashboard in here. Then we have used this part to display the brief details, and we have given daily earnings, and here we have input that value for the daily earnings. After that, we have inserted monthly earnings and we have also inserted that value in here. After that, in here we have inserted today's sellings and we have inserted that details here. And after that, in here we have inserted monthly selling and we have also inserted that details in here. Then here we have our total selling part. Then here we have our total engagement part. After that, in here we have printed how long that admin have been active in our database, and we have given a label as total active time. After that, we have given a label and we have printed the time using years, month, date, hours, minutes and seconds. After that, we have inserted this part to display the mostly sold item. Within this part, here we have inserted that product image in here, then the product title, how many items have been sold and the price for them in here. After that, we have used this part to display most famous seller, and we have given a label as most famous seller, and we have also inserted that seller's profile image in here. Then we have used this part to display that seller's name, seller's email address and seller's mobile number. After that, at the bottom of our file, here we have linked our script file into this admin panel.php file. We have linked bootstrap.bundle.js file and script.js file. Then from here we have closed our HTML body opening tag and HTML opening tag. So guys, that's all for today. Thanks all of you for joining with me. See you in the next video.